Hello everyone, the year is ending and with a grateful heart, I want to appreciate you all for watching Fofolicious Food Bites. It's been an amazing year. You all made this food journey really interesting, so I'm excited to share this premium designer stew with you. Ayamase, yes, the one and only outstanding stew. Without wasting more time, let's the cooking begin. There's so much going on here just for this stew, but to make it really easy, always prep your ingredients or even boil your beef before your cooking time. Get your green rodo, green tatashe, basically unripe pepper, onions, blended crayfish, bouillon cubes, salt, bleached palm oil, beef, pomo, cow intestine and chives, boiled eggs, smoked fish, fried fish, dry prawns, sliced onions, garlic, ginger, plantain, and ofada rice. All ingredients are cleaned and ready for cooking, making it so easy to cook. Let's start with the boiling of the beef. Put all your beef in a pot, add sliced onion, blended onion, salt, bouillon cubes, garlic, ginger, and allow it to steam before adding more water. In a different pot, boil your cow intestine and chives. While the meat is boiling, start grating the pepper and onions. So colorful and well grated with my kitchen chopper. Check on the beef, lovely aroma, so tender. Then start frying and set aside. Time we have been waiting for is here. It's time for the Ayamase Stew. Pour your bleached palm oil in your pan. Add some onions. Once hot, that's the beginning of building up flavors here. Next, the and the bouillon cube. Then the grated green pepper and onions. More onions. Just look at the colors. Add more onions, more grated pepper, mix and add your crayfish. The flavors here are building. Keep mixing and I'll allow it to fry together. Once the stew changes and becomes darker, you can add a bit of beef stock or water. Now it's time to add all the protein in no particular order. In goes the beef, the intestine, the pomo, the tripe, the fish, more crayfish, dry prawns, boiled eggs, and allow it all to fry together. Wow, I have to be honest with you. The flavor here is really good. No wonder it is called the designer stew. Right? Do you know that you can boil yam and just add the oil in this stew? The green pepper and onion flavor is a very powerful combination, and all the assorted ingredients in the stew, it's a #1 profile flavor for me. I fried some plantain earlier and boiled some ofada rice, and it's cooked now. Finally, look at the stew and you can tell it's going to be a really nice day. Serve the ofada, plantain, add the #1 premium stew to seal the deal. For me, it's not just adding all the ingredients, but the unique flavor Ayamase gives me that makes me love this stew. Do recreate this dish so you can also experience what I'm saying and taste it. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful flavored day. Thank you.